fella here. This guy's stuck. Oh shit. Oh, run more! Shred it! Shred it! Yeah! Yeah, shred it! Go. Give her a little. Gooser! Gooser! Gooser!
Kick it right out of frame. Does it matter? Here when we're driving to the same old park. Here we'll be so insistent, off the mark. Kick it right out of frame. Does it matter?
Better now? Drum playing? GoPro going on all the time? Huh? Yeah, it's recording, right?
Yeah.
Beeping?
You tell me. Yeah, it's going red. Beep, beep.
How was that?
Huh?
Was that cool?
Cool, man.
Sick!
How was that? Was that cool?
You too. Have a great day. You too.
Alright.
I wish I had a helmet bag.
Me and my boots. 1, 2. Okay, we're good.
How's the ride?
Good. I got my goggles. So I ended up looking and I forgot, and then I ended up putting them in my helmet bag.
Put the hat on.
Do I have one so I don't take it off the
No. You definitely have to take it off. Oh, yeah. Yo, it's got the same hair as you.
Do my hair shut.
You gotta pull it down. Hold it down. There you go. Good.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my...
I don't have. Well, what do you mean? Burn much? Yeah, I didn't really either. We only.
Sure, we'll burn a lot more today.
I got this in my club box, dude. Oh, nice.
Every time I fucking hit the gas on it, it sounds like there's a hole in my fucking exhaust. It's so loud.
That sled's loud, yeah. It's like, I think it's that can. There's a can on there, no? Yeah, that's what it is. There is? Oh, I was like, what?
Should I actually like physically top it to like...
What's good? You know,
This is how we're gonna clean snow from now on at home. We're gonna do our sidewalk.
Hopefully you can do it again for me today, that's all. Just need maybe 2 more days out of you, and after that you wanna go on a fucking rampage, and you can go on a rampage. It is what it is. Blow up, you know?
What do you think, Mike? First, what happened, guy?
send it.
Did send it.
You're in trouble, you better bring a pull your shovel. I don't get stuck!
Party.
Yeah, it's like 20 bucks a ticket nowadays. There you go, I like it.
Here's another exclusive for my man Mike B, featuring Big Sean. You know what it is, man. This one is called Who Knows? Busy, let's get into it. Here we go.
Sometimes my mind wanders away from me. I know I light my touchy up, puff. Maybe one day I'll fly. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
I wish that I could be what I want to. I wish that I would do what I don't do. I need a miracle, I hope it come through. I'm trying to work it out, I need a jumpsuit. Cause I done about had me enough and not having enough. Slacking and stuff. Mama on the phone not bragging or nothing. Cause the son ain't really got shit happening much. Saw my bank account like where was all the O's at? Hit the club like where was all the hoes at? Get a little change, you gon' see how shit change. You gon' be up in the crib like where was all her clothes at? And ask your girl, she know it's easy to say no to a nigga that's broke. But somebody with dough that got a little more, shit, I don't know.
Sometimes my mind wanders away from me. I know I light my touchy up, puff. Maybe one day I'll fly. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
And I always had drive, get to where I'm going if I ain't gotta ride. And when they ask, do you do what you love? I'ma say I do if I ain't got a bride. And I always kept faith like big, trying to do it big so my crib on cribs. Man, my girl ain't gotta worry about shit, cause our world is gonna be the shit. so she could tell her mom I'm a keeper. I am a dreamer, I could've been a king, huh? I'ma put my hands together like an applaud and look upward, like what up, Lord? I know if you try to, you can turn these gray skies back to sky blue. Was made for the
Shut it.
like a drive-through. Give us opportunity.
Used up all the
and see what
gas.
we do with it.
Sometimes my mind wanders away from me.
Oh shit, I caught him already. Fucking rookie.
One day I'll fly. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?